That's my back. Oh my god, where's the toilet? Where's the toilet? I don't have a toilet, y'all. Okay. Am I crazy? Oh, the toilet is separate. Okay. So, okay. So I have a tub and a toilet. I'm confused. Well, I like this system. That's a little dirty. What is that? You see that? I don't like that. I got my wipe, so I'm clean all this up. I got a shower. I'm like, I don't know, it feels weird. Cruise cabin. Feels weird. All right. Like a video really fast. Okay. Sorry, thank you, okay? Okay, so. Hey, I'm so happy. So, the handsome group store was helping me out. I got my card. So now, come on.
Y'all, I was so excited that I started to record in slow motion. Look at that genuine smile. I'm glad I captured this in slow motion. Your girl is happy.
It's way bigger than I thought it would be. But I didn't get my luggage yet. It's my window. And look, if they got me the art that I needed, it matches my aesthetic. So I love it. Let's see what the storage space is looking like. Got over here for storage. Got a lot of storage space here. I'm really impressed. Oh my god. My back. Oh my god, where's the toilet? Where's the toilet? I don't have a toilet, y'all. Okay. Am I crazy? Oh, the toilet is separate. Okay. So, okay. So I have a tub and a toilet. I'm confused. Well, I like this system. That's a little dirty. What is that? You see that? I don't like that. I got my wipe, so I'm clean all this up. I'm looking so cute. Get into that. It's St. Patrick's Day. So, got my little mirror, which I was worried I'll have to need a mirror. I like that. I got a shower. I'm like, I don't know, it feels weird. Cruise cabin. Feels weird. All right. Cider. We're keeping it. I paid fucking $35 for parking cider. That's crazy. Look up with that. But I also brought me a little something. Cool. My Bon Voyage cake. Some ginger release. Some water. And I'm ready. I'm guessing they must have knew I was coming, because they gave me all this closet space. Look at all of this. I have a blanket down here. I love a blanket. Yeah. Okay. Got another closet. Got 2 closets. And some more. And my lifeboats. Come on now. Here's my tripod. I'm hoping I could have left it. Are we good? Okay, so here we go. You know. Anyway, so little step there. You gotta be careful with this. You bust your shit right there. So I'm very interested how there's a tub and a shower. I feel like it's taking up 2 spaces. If I had a family, that would be great, because then we could both be in there. Doing our thing. Alright, let me go and put some money on my cruise card. I'm so happy. I'm trying to show you the clear elevator. This door opens inward. Hey, I am like at the top of the ship. Everything outside I'm sitting there. And that is really happy. Here's the water side, like the big plane area. so hot. Miami back there. I'm about to change into my pool attire so I can have some fun. Hi, what's over here? What's, oh no, pictures, no pictures. No pictures? No. Pictures in Miami. Oh no, thank you. Thank you. So yeah, you can take a picture with the thing if you want to. I'm not sorry. I got this expensive ass phone. This is taking all my pictures. I guess this is the jogging and running track, and then I guess this will be the rope course. And they have some like games and activities back here. That's pretty cool. Hey, this little step is right there. I should be scared the fuck out of me. But luckily there's like a little deck down there, so I'll fall. I like that. I like safe. I'm sorry. Your straps in, your stuff in, you come up here. At 3:30, we have the sail away party. I'm looking forward to that. I'm just so happy. I'm just looking around a little bit before I change because I just love this outfit. It was so cute. I knew it was cute when I bought it. Come on. I will be over here working on some of this deliciousness. Got the kilo in up there. It smells slow. Ooh, that open water ain't that fresh. Let's see if I can call some of my peeps and let them know I'm okay. And I'll see you in my next outfit. Ow. For the sail away party. Yay! On deck with CV. We're all in our green. This is my first cruise, so I'm with some veterans. And this is amazing. And I'm in the clear elevator. The clear, what's it called? Escalator.
Yeah, the lobby elevator.
Lobby elevator, yeah.
I love this because the new ships don't have this feature.
Oh,
they don't have the glass elevators, yeah.
Enjoy cruising. See you at the Lido. I'm gonna decorate my door. I'm so cute.